We've got a very special car today, folks. It's a 1970 Mustang Mach 1 351 M code. That's the good Cleveland 4-barrel motor, 4-speed, posi rear, factory air conditioning. You don't find 4-speeds with air. It's documented right here with the Marti Report. It comes very well optioned. It's one of 170 ever made in this color combination. So this is a rare and desirable car. 53,000 actual miles. This is a survivor. It's had a one-time exterior repaint, meaning the jambs are still original, the trunk, the engine bay. It's had wheels put on it, and it's had service. These receipts are dated 2022. There's probably $6,000 or $7,000. Just a bunch of miscellaneous, from a new AC compressor to fixing the wipers and a turn signal bulb, and a lot of brake work was done. They just went through the car. It says safety check, and they pretty much gave the shop carte blanche to go through it and dial it in. It drives and feels like a new car. So very special car. Not many Survivor Mach 1s floating around anymore, especially it looked this good. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the information. Take your time and study pictures top to bottom. And that's where you find a price tag on every one of our cars, including a monthly finance option. They'll go as long as 144 months on these cars. Make it real easy for you. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, make sure you subscribe and then click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, so a real sweetheart of a car. The underside is Survivor quality, so it's not glamorous and chromed and glossy, but rock solid. If you know what you're looking at, you'll be very impressed. I don't think the floors have ever even been spray painted. It has the factory undercoat. I don't see any patches, rust, splices, even up behind the tires here. It's all original metal, around the wheel well lit. The frame rails, torque boxes, completely rock solid, original, nice metal under there. Maintained as needed. There's a power steering hose, some bushings in the front end. Again, it's all in the receipts there. They inspected and replaced what was needed. It has had an exhaust system. You'll hear it at the end of the video. It has a nice sound. Has a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and it has the factory tips coming out through the valance. Again, brake work has been done to it. Looks like all four wheels had the brakes redone. E-brake is all hooked up. These come with a competition suspension. It has front and rear sway bars. So again, underneath the car has been inspected by this previous shop, and then it went through our inspection as well. Let's check, the transmission. It is the original 4-speed, so it has the tag right on it. It's a 1970, made it up to a 351 Cleveland, and it is a 3.0 ratio posi. That's what came with the car. So a nice cruising gear, especially the air conditioning. You don't want no 411s or nothing like that under there. Now let's check out the body. I just took a glance. It shows really well. This is a clean, straight body. The hood looks pristine. The gap is square and flush, is right on the money. All these lines are real nice. It's all metal, nice, clean fender. Everything lines up and fits beautifully. No dents, no damage, no rust. It's all real nice. It fits really nicely. I bet it shuts nice. Yeah, it's like a new car. The roof is all nice, straight, sail panel, the quarters, all this is fantastic. I'm looking at the body. All lines up square, nice gaps. Yeah, this is a really exceptional body, folks. Real nice quarter panels, no rust, no bubbles, no damage. There is a dent right here. A dent guy can fix it, but you'll have to drop the headliner out. But there is a dent right there. It has the sport mirrors. Again, the gaps are beautiful. See how this one shuts? Super. All lines up real nice. Now the paint, its original color is called bright gold metallic. There is a chip right on the inside edge right here. The metallic is laid out evenly. The whole car is one color. It's smooth, it's glossy. I'm looking for any other flaws in the paint. There's a little nick right on the tip right here, the fender. Optional black painted on stripe that's on the Marti Report. This was an option. Smooth, shiny, laid out beautifully. Little touch up on this edge right here. Here's a couple stone chips down here. It's all looking really nice. The paint's beautiful. Really sharp looking paint. Has a rear spoiler. Has some black stripes painted. That must have been done later. I've never seen that on a Mustang, but there are 2 black stripes painted. This here is a factory decal on the back of the car. But yeah, paint is looking really slick. So you got a spoiler. The honeycomb's excellent. The tail lights are mint. Bumper's real nice shape. Reverse lights look good. Pop out gas cap. All that looks really nice in back. The rear glass has a few light scratches, the typical, but looks good. Wheels, they look new. They're the Magnum. They are 14-inch. They look a little wider. Nice tires on there. There's a little mark. I don't know if they had polish off or not. It might. This is a little tarnished. It's original. Has a little pitting on the original door handles. Those lower panels are in excellent shape. Windshield looks original and it's real good. You're talking a really nice Survivor. Turn signals on the back of the scoop here, they work. Someone painted the hood pins black. They should be chrome. Original chrome up here, shines, looks nice unless you get right on it. It's a little freckled. This is all very good original condition. Has the original type antenna. Slick looking fastback. Every video of these I do, I tell you, it's one of my favorite body styles of all time on any car. It looks like it's fast sitting still. Anyway, that's the outside. Let's open it up. We'll show you what a Survivor inside looks like. I am really liking this car, folks. This is a nice Survivor car. Check this out. This is the original paint. The light works. Paint okay. That's an ink stamp. Whoever checked it that day, and I think that's probably their name under there. I'm not sure. Original sticker, paper sticker, 52 years old, still there. Original paint in the jam, original weather strip. The inside of the trunk compartment is all original. Now this has the fold down back seat, so this door opens up. This is actually an aftermarket speaker box that goes on there nicely because there's a stereo. We'll get into that later. It's got a magnum wheel. It does have the jack down here. It does look like the mat has been replaced, but this is perfectly dry, clean, original metal. The seams, there's no cuts, no splices in there. Nice, clean trunk compartment. I know some people go nuts for a Survivor, even if they're all beat up. I like this. This is a Survivor. It's actually very nice. So the door jambs are original paint, never been sprayed. Weather strips are original. I'd probably replace the window seals on top of the doors. They're getting a little beat up. So it's a deluxe interior, has the real nice molded door panels in very good shape. They did replace the dash pad. It's not a cap. It's a complete, really nice dash pad. It probably had some cracks in it. Has the instrument panel in real nice shape. Optional tachometer. They did not come with a tach. That's an option. Everything seemed to be working real nice. You have AC vents. This is the retro stereo. So they did not go cutting up the car. They put the stereo right in the hole. You got the switch for the sport lamps. The clock is not working, but all this is in really nice shape. Now there's speakers down in the door panels. This car did come with an AM/FM stereo, which comes with these speakers. This is the wrong cover, but they did come with speakers there. So that is kind of correct. The center console's in really nice shape. Hurst 4-speed shifter. Seats are original. There's a little repair that was done here in the middle, but these are original seats from 1970. We did pay $400 and some and had carpet professionally installed in the car. This has a fold-down back seat. This was an option. There's the speakers I talked about in back. But all this plastic's in really nice original shape. All the interior lights work. There's the back seat. Very nice original. So it's not brand new, bright white, but I think it's very nice, unabused condition. Headliner's real nice. The back of the seat's a little ugly. I'd replace this piece of plastic here. That's pretty brittle and beat up. If I mention it's a Shelby style steering wheel. Okay, got some stuff going on here. We have factory air conditioning. The system works. It's been updated with the 134 Freon. The compressor has been replaced. A few other items by looking through the receipts were replaced as well. And pertaining to the air, has power steering. It's a 351 Cleveland. That's the M code 4-barrel. Look it up. This is one of Ford's best engines. There's never anything bad written about one of these engines. This has the buck tag, which has the different options and codes on there. This paint in the jam here is original paint, so has the part numbers on the fenders. I don't think this black has ever been spray painted over. It's all very original. And the battery's bolted down. We got correct clamp and hose. Got the shroud. The horns are hooked up. The washer bottle's hooked up. You have another VIN number stamped right here. And then this box right here, kind of unusual, you never see that. It has intermittent wipers on the Marti Report. So that's a factory option. The original hood insulation, and look at this, paint OK. Another paint stamp. This is original paint under here. So I think that's a very well preserved engine compartment. That's a nice sounding muscle car exhaust. Nice lopey cam, not obnoxious, but sounds good. I tell you what, this car just feels right. There's no clutch chatter. It's nice and smooth. Every interior light works. I think this is a really nice car. The more time I spend with it, the more I like it. Folks, this is a really special opportunity here. Again, a 70 Mach 1 documented 351 M code 4-speed with air. That's awesome as it is. 53,000 miles sweetheart like this car, that's going to be really hard to find another one. Mechanically, again, there's probably between us and the last guy $6,000 or $8,000 spent on it, going through and servicing it. The little bit I drove it, it feels like a new car. So this one's special. I'm sure there's other Mach 1s out there on the market right now. This is a really nice survivor that still looks really good. You can go to any car show with this right now, and people don't know what a survivor is. They're still going to look at it and say, that's a really nice car. That's my opinion. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions. They can get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. Now remember, subscribe and then click on the bell icon so you're notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.